In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the title and meta tags in GoDaddy, step by step. If you want your website to show up properly in Google search results and look more professional, updating your SEO title and meta description is absolutely essential. Don't worry, this is beginner-friendly and only takes a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website and SEO tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Go to GoDaddy.com and click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to My Products. Here, you'll see a list of all the products and websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to edit, then click on it. After that, click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy website builder so you can make changes. Now that you're inside the website editor, we need to access your SEO settings. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Search Engine Optimization, sometimes labeled as SEO. Click on that option. Next, click on Site Profile, or in some versions it may say SEO Basics. Both lead you to the same place. This is where you can edit your website's SEO title and meta description. Let's talk about what each of these fields means and what you should enter. First is the title, also called the SEO title. This is what appears as the blue clickable headline in Google search results. It's one of the most important ranking factors for SEO, so you want it to clearly describe your business. A simple and effective template you can use is your website name - your main service or product. For example, if you run a cleaning company called Sparkle Clean, your title could be Sparkle Clean Professional Home Cleaning Services. If you don't want to customize it too much, you can use something simple like your website Quality Products and Services. Just make sure it clearly explains what your site offers. Next is the meta description. This is the short paragraph that appears under your title in Google search results. While it doesn't directly control rankings, it strongly affects whether people click on your site. Use this simple template. Your website name provides your products or services. Enjoy key benefits such as fast delivery, great value, easy booking, or high-quality service. For example, Sparkle Clean provides professional home cleaning services. Enjoy affordable pricing, reliable staff, and flexible scheduling. Keep your meta description clear, benefit-focused, and easy to read. Once you've entered your new SEO title and meta description, scroll down and click Save. But you're not done yet. To apply the changes to your live website, you must click Publish. This step is very important. If you don't publish, your updates won't go live. And that's it. You've successfully changed your title and meta tags in GoDaddy. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in how your website appears in search results and how professional your brand looks online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy GoDaddy and website SEO guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.